That's right. And she got power. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. It's too loud right now. I'm gonna let all this oil burn off tomorrow. Drive it to the exhaust shop. After I get this pedal mounted after I get this pedal situated. Soon as this ooh, that fell off. You know, clip right there, band, whatever you call that, clamp. Soon as this computer coming back, ooh, she on it popping. We got action. Got the AC on. I just texted trans fluid levels. We got power steering. We got the fan on. Got the trans cooler on. I'm about to hook this up to the power right here, so our alternator can be on. We got action. We got action. How long? Ooh. Yeah.